Welcome to Tech Solution. Orbilogin.com not working. Fixes orbilogin.com not working. Change your Orbi's position. You can now move your Orbi to a new location. Another way to fix the orbilogin.com issue is to do this. Orbi can be moved to the center of your home if you put it in a corner, behind a table, or something. Ensure your Orbi isn't being interfered with by anything else in your homes, such as Bluetooth speakers, microwaves, cell phones, or baby monitors. Consider shifting your Orbi based on the lighting it has on it. In the case of Orbi, a blue light indicates that your router and satellite are connected. Get a newer browser. It's also possible that updating your web browser will resolve the orbilogin.com not functioning issue for you. Switching to a new web browser with no previous cache or cookies is also possible. Verify the URL. The Netgear Orbi setup process can only be accessed by entering the correct web URL. Orbilogin.com not working because you mistyped the Orbi web address in the address bar. Firmware update. Your Orbi won't work correctly if you haven't updated its firmware after purchasing it. Wi-Fi devices require regular firmware updates to function well. Orbi reset and set up again. If orbilogin.com is still refusing to let you in, try this method. Your Orbi won't work correctly if you haven't updated its firmware after purchasing it. Wi-Fi devices require regular firmware updates to function well. Thanks for watching.